Wait to see the rooms up here.
Yes, I'm so excited. It's so there's actually 2 suites. The one thing is I'm thinking which should be the master. I was thinking this might be the master because of the balcony. But what do you think? Like, where should the headboard go? How should we?
Yeah, because of the configuration of this room, and I love the idea that you have with this being the master bedroom. Let's have the parents, let's have the main person be able to focus on this view. And being that this wall has a closet, this wall has sliding doors, this is the only wall that would make sense for the queen headboard. We're gonna have a queen bed in here with the headboard this way.
Okay, perfect. All right.
So we can go into the other room and check
Let me
out.
show you that because it's also a suite.
Wow, look at
The bathroom is more updated.
The built-in bathroom over
Yeah, because
here.
everything, we basically remodeled the whole thing.
Yeah, it does feel like a master bedroom.
Yes.
But in this situation, Maria, this is what we're working against. The window is off-center,
Right.
so you want to have a headboard right here.
Okay.
So we can have this as a master bedroom, but at the same time, it kind of doesn't have that real estate to emphasize the master bedroom. Do you want this as a bachelor room or for family?
I think bachelor, I think this is like a professional, young professional. I think this kind of scenario, location and stuff would attract that type of customer.
Yeah, absolutely. You know your market best. And I'm glad we talked about this. So this is where we'll be putting the full bed here with the headboard here, and then we'll be putting a desk study area here.
That would be nice.
I think we have a good game plan going on.
Okay.
All right, we'll do this.
All right, you got it. Yay. Today is going to be the reveal. I'm going to show you what they did with the property after seeing it.